Got your noodles all ready? Be careful, it's really hot. Keep them shut. Ponyo. No peeking. Get ready to look now. Abracadabra.
It's him! Careful, it's hot!
Forget the vegetables. He's gonna chop his fingers off. Not bad for a drunk old man. Forget the vegetables. He's gonna chop his fingers off.
Here you go, enjoy!
Thank you! Time to eat! Happy birthday!
Pig is at work. We can get all his birthday surprises ready. First, we'll make Daddy's birthday cake. We start with butter and sugar and flour. Then we add an egg. And most important of all, the chocolate bits.
Mummy Pig is making a chocolate cake. Daddy Pig loves chocolate cake.
I give it a stir.
Mummy, can I stir?
Yes, Pepper.
Pepper loves stirring. George wants a go.
OK, George, that's enough stirring. There, Daddy Pig's chocolate cake.
Hooray!
Now, we just have to bake it in the oven.
Mummy, can I lick the spoon?
Yes, you can lick the spoon and George can lick the bowl.
Yippee!
Pepper and George love chocolate cake mixture.
Poor Daddy Pig. Hey, Daddy Pig.